welcome to the studio. And today I feel like making some Asian lo-fi, Japanese lo-fi beat, the style of like tenno or raimu. So let's hop on to FL Studio. Let's see what you can cook with it. And for this video, I'll be using our newest sample pack called the Ultimate Drum Breaks. It consists of over 1400 drum sounds, including 50 drum loops, 25 plus addictive drum breaks, and more. If you're interested, go check it out from the link below and use code DARK20 to get $10 off your purchase. Okay, for this, I'm thinking let's like pull up Tina. Yeah, this is like a pretty decent idea. Let's like make it into an 8 bar loop. Mm, let's add some ambience. I'm using my pack or my FX collection for this. I like this one. Now I think it's better if we like have an initial structure for the entire track. So we have our 8 bar intro, a drop, a 4 bar and an 8 bar drop. For the drums, I think we can use addictive drums for this. I'll be using a new drum kit called the Ultimate Drum Breaks. In that, we have given you 20 addictive drum presets, and you can use them to make your tracks with it. I like this one. The snare will come on the 2 and the 4. So it's your 2, it's your 4. The bass I'd probably use contact. The Rickenbacker bass, it's perfect. I'll just take the root notes from the piano and just copy and paste it over there. We can mess with the bass a bit later. Now time for the kick. It's simple. Just like load a sampler. As usual, I like this one. Now time to record some kicks, baby. Yep, perfect. Let's quantize it. So let's load in some Japanese instruments. For this, we'll be using the East Asia library from Contact. It's like one of my favorite libraries that I use for making any Japanese lo-fi track. In this, I like the Koto quite a lot. Okay, so let's see. Using this, what I can come up with. I would love to add like a board instrument or something. For that, you can use a plugin called Play by East West Audio, and in that they have a really good Eheru. It just sounds really cool. You have like a decent melody. We started with a sharp, so this is the melody. Delete everything else. Grab it over here. I think we'd rather go to the root, so it makes more sense because it's ending. So we take the root and then we'll extend it. So yeah, that's it for now. It's a pretty cool idea. I need to go out. It's already 8 p.m. So I'm getting late. I'm going to finish this entire idea and keep you posted with this. For now, you heard the entire track demo and I'll see you in the next one. Also, don't forget to check out all the sample packs from the link below and use code DARKWINTER to get $10 off your purchase.